Hello, we're here today at SL Equipment to look at this 7x18 IBeam equipment trailer. Look at this unit. We see the coupler here in the front. It's going to have multiple adjustments. So you'll have these two bolts here that can move up or down as it needs to for the height adjustment on the front end. We see the safety chains, breakaway cable, front jack, battery for the breakaway, this trailer has tie down points in the corners as well as the stake pockets. There's also a mid section set of the rings as well. You can see the steel wheels with radial tires. The axles are 6K axles or 6,000. You can see the rear tie down ring. Rear stake pocket. Rear light has a bracket for a license plate to be added. We can see the dove on the rear, the rear loading ramps, and the ramps are heavy-duty loading ramps. Now on the ramps, you can see the 8 supports. Now when these ramps go in the up position, there's a pin that will go through on the ramp side as well as the trailer side with a bar to hold it in place. We can see the pins. This trailer has a spare tire bracket. The reflective tape has the brand of the trailer on it, so it says Gorilla Trailers on there. Of course, we can see the Gorilla Trailers sticker. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.